Coming to the symptoms. Symptoms appear during the period of incubation. They include swelling in the lymphatic ganglion, swellings appear in the lymphatic ganglia. This is a condition called lymphadenopathy. Lymphadenopathy. Persistent fever, another characteristic symptom. Diarrhea, and steady loss of body weight. Steady loss of body weight. Continuously the person starts losing weight. And along with this, attack of various infectious diseases, because immune system has become weak. Various infectious diseases may start showing their symptoms. Body will not be able to fight those pathogens. How is HIV infected? That is mode of transmission. Mode of transmission. HIV is transmitted only in 4 ways. Only in 4 ways. Which are those 4 ways? 1. Sexual contact. With an infected person. So having unprotected sex with an infected person is one of the main causes of HIV infection. Sharing of needles, razors, and other articles with infected persons. This situation, particularly sharing of needles, is very common among drug addicts. From the same syringe, many people take injections of narcotic drugs. The third possibility is transfusion of infected blood, HIV positive blood being given to a HIV negative patient, transfusion of infected blood. And the fourth and the least possibility is from an infected mother to her from an infected mother, it may be passed on to her young one. These are the only 4 ways by which HIV spreads. There are a lot of misconceptions about the spreading of HIV, about AIDS, that if you share food with them, if you shake hands with them, AIDS may be passed on and all that. All of them are wrong. These are the only 4 possibilities of HIV getting infected from one person to another. There is no cure for AIDS, mainly because HIV has a high rate of mutation, so it keeps changing its genetic material by mutation. Therefore, there are no specific drugs which can arrest the multiplication of the virus. No vaccines have also been found out so far against AIDS. So, the only possibility is prevention. And most important in prevention is avoiding unprotected sex with multiple partners. Avoiding unprotected sex with multiple partners, avoiding sharing of needles, razors, etc. And taking care about transfusion, avoiding the transfusion of infected blood. AIDS is now quite prevalent in Asian countries, especially in India. So, people have to be sufficiently educated about the modes of transmission and the ways of prevention. There is a saying which says, which goes like this: know about AIDS to say no to AIDS. Know about AIDS to say no to AIDS. If you know about the modes of infection, you can say no to AIDS. So bringing about this awareness is now very, very important.